Hey YouTube, it's A864 man. This is my first YouTube video on an EDC bag. This is a modular system which will be attached to my bailout bag or bug out bag. Go ahead and get started here. This is just a strap to carry it by. Also, I can pull out straps in the back and wear it as a hip pack if I wanted to. Got a carabiner to attach stuff with. Most importantly, in case anything happens to me, somebody finds this, it gives the contents of the bag, expiration dates, and what's in there. Good thing to have, I think. Got a notepad. Always comes in handy. Pocket screwdriver, magic marker, regular pen, signaling mirror, actual Ride Anywhere space pen. Got a gold ring in case I need to barter with something. I've got a notepad. There's cash, and set that there. 380 extra clip. All you safety gun nuts out there, this is my safety. It is loaded, however, 380 LCP. Got a pocket knife. It's a Gerber Rex Applegate 4-inch folder. This is just a bottle opener, credit card, piece of steel we used to cut stuff with if I needed to. I don't know. I could, just threw that in there. I might take that out. I don't know. Knife sharpener, a Leatherman multi-tool. This is the Wingman Wingman. More bartering. 2 ounces of pure silver. Okay, that's the front pocket there. Attached to the side pocket here is my compass, and left side pocket here, medication, 30-day supply. I haven't filled it up yet, but I will. Got sealed 50 rounds of 22 Magnum. In case it goes in the water, it's sealed. Got a 22 Derringer, again loaded, but it's not cocked. And then on this side attached is my flashlight. Anybody that was ever in the military understands light discipline, so it's got a red light on it for light discipline. Also bright light. Got it attached right now. Not attached, obviously. Matter of fact, I'll do that to take it off here. Anyway, light discipline. Good flashlight. Good LED. Extra batteries in the pack. Got water sanitation. Compression bandage, emergency blanket, it's a little 95-piece first aid kit, some 1/4 inch, about 50 foot of cord, nylon cord there, tourniquets, whatever. Okay, center pocket here. This bag's going to start getting out of the frame. Actually, I'll set this down here and then pull up stuff out of the center pocket here so you can see it. This is a homemade fishing kit. Got twine, or not twine, 30-pound test. It's actually saltwater fishing line. Got a saber saw here, chainsaw, hand chainsaw, little fishing kit. It's got hooks, everything else in there. This was the first aid kit. Vacuum sealed it in a Ziploc bag, and then a vacuum seal. Wanted to use this bag for something else. Again, I think I got this at Lowe's for like $8. It's the little 95-piece first aid kit. Or Home Depot, Lowe's, one and the same, I guess. Got a headlamp with all my extra batteries for everything, watertight seal. Again, light discipline. It's got a red, it's got bright, 2 light, and then all of them on and off. So always need a hands-free light. That's when I was in the military working on Apaches, where my nickname kind of came from. AH-64 man. Use these all the time. Got a 220 calorie payday candy bar. Give me some extra food. Basically, this bag is like a get-home bag to get to my bailout bag. Got a poncho, and I vacuum sealed a lot of things in these bags because first off, it compresses them and takes a lot of the space away from them. Compresses it into a smaller space, but also bags can be used to transport, carry water, hold things. When you cut them open, you can put cord through them and whatever. A lot of different uses for them. I've got a roll of electrical tape. We got 1-inch roll duct tape. Some actual twine. This is about 200 foot of good nylon twine. Making snares or whatever I need to make out of there. I've got my universal eating utensils. That actually should be probably going in my bailout bag. Don't really need that in here. I've got another 150, 200 foot of another 1/4-inch nylon cord. I actually have a 200 foot of 550 cord in the bailout bag. Some trash bags can be used for shelter, rain ponchos. It's 2 heavy-duty 7 mil thick trash bags, lawn trash bags. Good quality trash bags. Hefty. All important, most important. Got a Bible. Give me something to read. In the military, they always said, take care of your feet, they take care of you. Good foot powder, body powder. This is my fire kit. Got a Zippo, some fire tender, char cloth and stuff. One thing I found is never dull polish. That's actually what that is. I found that it lights very easily with a spark, almost as easy or easier than char cloth. And if it gets soaked, you wring it out, fluff it back up, and it'll still light damp. You get the never dull at AutoZone. It's what they polish silver and aluminum wheels, stuff like that. I got it to polish my bike. I was using the tin to make char cloth and decided, well, let me try to see if that stuff's flammable. It smelled flammable, so ended up finding out that makes good tinder. It's called Never Dull. Anyway, I've got waterproof matches, Zippo lighter, and I've just got one other thing I got to add is a little can of Zippo fluid, a case for matches, and there's waterproof matches in there. But that's vacuum sealed. Good little fire case, and the case itself is watertight. Let's see, I've personal hygiene items, a little bit of deodorant, toilet paper, some hand wipes or body wipes, bacterial wipes, toothbrush, toothpaste, some Listerine, some hand sanitizer, and that's about it. Nothing else in this bag. So that's what I got. Again, like I said, this is a modular system to my bob bailout bag. It will attach to my bailout bag, which will come later in another video. Be glad to show you all that. See if I can get all this in the frame here. I don't know if I can. If I can't, I'll pan around and show everything. But so that's what I carry for an EDC. I don't really carry it on me at all times. I don't walk into the grocery store with it or nothing, but you know, it goes on the bike in a saddlebag with me when I go on a ride. It goes in the back seat of the truck whenever I go anywhere. So you know, and along with an EDC, I always carry a 40 cal on my hip. So and I am a concealed handgun carrier. So anyway, that's my my video. Questions, comments, or anything is much appreciated. If I'm missing something or could add something, take something out, you think, you know, corrective criticism is always a good thing. So let me know. Again, first video, so sorry if I screwed up on something. And let me do a pan in case I can get everything in a frame. Well, everything is in the frame. Okay. So, alright YouTube, again, it's AH64 man, and it's good talking to y'all.